Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka Hill TV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka Hill TV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the path for the youth them. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel because I don't know all this shit. Yes, I. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First. You see, welcome all viewers and subscribers. See, if you just go through and you like the thing, you know, subscribe and share it. Don't know, I ain't no one of them. See? Yeah. Yes, I. Nasty boy FANTAN MOJAH. So the other day, I asked Muta to have mercy upon you because you don't know every man fall along the way. I need a little strength, and more time is a reinforcing piece of speech. We bring back the foundation and make the man them understand themselves. But yeah, realize yeah, one dirty boy, I comb you never like comb your hair. Why it stay like that? You know, see? Cheap boy when I want to pay barber. Can you imagine all your little friend them around you struggle? Can't get a spliff. You know, see it? And you roll one every day. Highest grade side of them and all them thing there. You know, see it? And I look upon it like, so well then, a part of your props will make you be a big man. We are read you. You know, see it? Cheap little petty things. Your ego benefit from. You know, see it? Yes, Rasta. None of your friends them not like you because you're fake. You're fake for everything. But you're fake Rasta. You're fake. You're Jedi. You're not Rasta. You know, see it? Yes, Rasta. We don't want any Rasta where slap him girl body. No, for slap that. With authority. Or I slap a girl body. If him get if him get the authorization to slap a girl body. You see it? Rasta now slap that shaky like him expects it or explode. Pan him and all them type of thing there. Rasta, you know, look good in another video them and you keep continue doing it over and over and flap yourself. Me, I hope I not say everybody think every fat Rasta behave when them see woman, you know. You see, because me maga, and me know not so me behave. You know, see, so I don't know if it's a fat belly boy with just when belly full of beer rubbish. You know, see, behaves them way there. You know, see, clumsy around the girl them. You know, see, and you should have easiest humble yourself and stay in your lane. You know, see, you jump out, go another boy, you're singing a falsetto about like a. I want to you, little dopey. You say, and every year fault, you know. I true Rasta down there league. I true Rasta Jamaica down there league. But you see the ambassador for Rastafari in Jamaica give me the authority to burn you with tire. If you come out, man, and go, man. You see it? And I true the bubble them up a bubble hill a fail. Why them not hunt you already and hold your jaw, a bus load of them drive down upon you and hold you and tear off the turban there off of your head? You know, see it? Yeah, what this boy, man? You know, see it? I want, hey boy, you know the greatness of Rastafari as a culture, as a tradition, as a faith. You know the importance of that to the culture, to the people, to the development of black people right here now. Eh? You don't have an idea. You see, if you didn't have an idea, you don't know so that valuable more than you're hungry, big belly. You don't see it. You don't realize that, and you would not try to compromise the culture to make it associated with certain farmer debauchery. You don't see it. You have your bubble turban where the turban represent the priesthood. You know, see it? And you gone up, you gone out. The man them warn you before you gone out there again, gone do the same thing. You have a nasty, hungry belly boy. We love attention. You see it? And every Rasta knows say attention and our world. You know, see it? Nothing what we do enough for the attention at the norm. The popular attention at the norm. You know, see it? Because with the norm, we know the norm is a program. You know, see it? And we enough to fortify that. You know, see it? The man them try to show you where they see the great elder tell you say more you chip and all a piece of lightning drop in your head. When you up there jump up and go and say you come back and a cuss and a tell man for suck them mother. Hey! Carleton really a feel. Me not Carleton. Where you dealing? I want to you. Me not them out of fire Carleton. You see? Yes, Rasta. Come like I just be a charcoal left higher or ashes. You see it? Because all them boys are in your business. I go answer. I mean, no say you're not chicken. I know say you're not paper soldier. You turn paper soldier, Rasta. The man losing balls here. Sizzla. Rasta. I want to. No, Rasta. What them things I couldn't go on 10 years ago. 15 years ago. You know see it? Man go on that man and take off the uniform and find man if them not. I mean. No, Rasta. We don't know where David House there. You see it? David House allow them things to go on, Rasta. You see it? Come like the man them. You see if I'm saying the man them start chat with certain foreign boy will come in at the police come and buy them on. And I out them fire and left them as charcoal. And ashes in a Jamaica. You know, see the boy them will I come to fruition, you know. You know, see it? Because dirty FANTAN MOJAH them push up front now and I hear them la 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 la. You want somebody slap you with a lass. You know, see it? You run off of the stage and go with your full self. Nobody know. I mean, you have a what kind of idiot thing this? It come like a king come down off of him throne, come and jump up in the crowd as the jester. And everybody, I give everybody joke. I want to that nasty boy, man. I want to just come in a man business, come and go on like say someone just join people love me say. People love to come in at the thing and come in at the thing and wear colours and a boy Rastafari. And get a food. Seeing everybody like and go on a food. Seeing and putting up on a certain platform. Seeing only reach by the platform now. To the love of attention and things like that. You see, cause when you done there already people don't know enough just wait till you find the right formula again and drop some more truth. What we can never save on from before. How much money you didn't make. You see? Come back and sing, but if you never make the money, Rasta, you're far better off than where you was when you start out. You know, see it? Far better off, all when you now find a hit. You know, see it? You're still far better off, but you're licky and greedy, and you sell out. You will sell. You don't stand for nothing, so you will fall on your belly for anything. You know, see it? With all a 12-inch man behind you. Dirty boy. You know, if you come out of Rasta business and go trim and stop, trick international people, make them feel like, say, you know, a part of the culture. People for know, say, I don't know belly, you know, a scammer. A scam people, and a scam reggae music. You see it, and the world, if you know, and start stoning off a stage, make you go trim. And go singing on the go-go club. You understand what I say? Yeah, all you for be all a cameo in a go-go club every night. You know, see it? Yeah. You know, no respect. You come in a Rasta thing and you want to change the rule and do what you want to do your way. I'm not talking about nobody now buy your record. I call a lot of issues I say nobody now buy. You know, the rest of Bobo them sell a broom. Bobo them selling them. And you go put on turban. The man them will take on the least. Our Babylon affair, you know. the sailor broom. You see, that symbolically, I show Babylon say, them man ya, no one, nothing. Nothing of this world is of them man ya. You can't charm them man ya, seduce them man ya, with a little folly. You know, see it? Yeah. You never observe that before you go put on the man them turp. Me say, Bobo there, Jack Bobo. Say, John no star, a new man they walk, they say, I'm a run Bobo. They come like a way up there, the boy. Eh? Away up there, though. Eh? You think from day one, I see you come in a rasta thing with a screw face and a ditch up yourself, you know. Like you think a prison you're there, talk to some other, I try to intimidate other prisoner and all them thing there. Hey, you come fuck the thing, you know. You see, because see corruption in you from morning, and you see you come manifest it here. A sort of crosses are going up a Bubbo Hill here now. You know, see. And nobody, for judge the street, engage the street, and know what going on because I be infighting up there. No soldier end up on the street again. That's all boy like FANTAN MOJAH can out there. And a tarnish on the name and on a reputation like that. You know, see it? I don't know, say nothing. It look like FANTAN MOJAH come down upon a Saturday or a Friday evening or whatever come drop on a change. Because sometimes I saw some on the stay, you know. You see, away there, I say, a man send something come give motor for play out some do some way call it here. Some rasta hymns. You know, see, because back in the day, the man them used to reverse the church hymn them and sing them in a rasta wise. See? So him send them come give Muta for play for him and whole night Muta prime the crowd for listen for them and rate it. Muta eventually play them in the end. You see? But one of the thing missing. He must say the instrumental missing. Who want I know we never instrumental we're going there for program for plug-in pan. We're going there for plug-in pan. Oh, you prepare them in here. Oh, the whole thing set up. You keep your instrumental over there so that now I'm not in on it rasta. You see, bottom line is the man phone motor and some motor you have to go compensate because you never play that one there. A rasta. I call another rasta. When I play one tune and I tell him say want compensation feet, you know. See? You know, at the beginning come like say the same said the rasta they have to compensate motor to play rasta him per IRFM. You know see it at that I work out. You know see it? That's motor flip. When the man say motor, you have to compensate my back some of that for that. And that's what I work out to pay the two rasta them pay one another for promote rasta. I pay rasta, I pay hey. That's why all FANTAN MOJAH can water down the thing so and I walk around pound. You see it? I muggle pound because I be money when I chase. Be money when I'm motivated by. You see it? Be money when I'm motivated by. That's why the thing lame up say now. You see it? You see it? Man, if looking at themselves, because the wickedest thing the world are richer than one was when they start out in a rasta. You see, I don't start out in a Rastafari name. I make a name off a Rastafari name. And I just on the self when I deal with Rasta, the man, them, where the returns there, where Rasta going, where the sacrifice the Rasta, eh? The sacrifice have to stay up in on the polish and reach and watch, get up people down here. Remember, you know? Remember? If the prophet see the city I destroy and no one them, you know. The blood of the city shall be on his shoulder. You know, see it? Carleton, sizzla, Buju banton, and the tree on one that. Because you get licky and greed in a bumbo club, be money in a chase, and every rasta across the world see it. You know, see it? You know, see it? And it all diminish. It all diminish when you call in. You know, see it? When I move like some little cheapskate, money grabbing petty boy. Like, I know you don't get used to what you have yet. You know, see it? You still I move like you there square when I try to grab something. You know, see it? A desperate time, you know. You know, see it? When the man them for sit down and a reason and I try to drop some word, some conscious word out there for the youth them ear. You know, see it? The man them take on the COVID thing. Like say, the people that were prepare COVID, now prepare millions for see them thing. work the way them want it work. You know, see it? See? The man them sit down there going like, so well then, I want him to know, man. I want him to know Rasta. I want him to know a catchphrase on the jump and catchphrase on the jump and a beat round the bush. You know, see it? And now push out the delivery. You know, see it? That's all boy like FANTAN MOJAH can feel like saying can go sing. Touch that body. In a reggae music. And feel like say that relevant, welcome and acceptable. You know, see it? Because the eye them are low. The eye them now set the example. So all boy like them, they can feel like say them can come do what them want. Yes? Why not? You know, see it's a free for all game. You know, see it? First come, first serve. You know, see it? Dirty boy thing, the whole honor down there daily, man. I want him to know, man. I frame up the thing and I want to go on like say. You see it? I want him to know. No ratings for them. I want him to know. No for them coming like say, when come in a Rasta come buy up a whole heap of gun and all them things that chuck badness. After when you preach righteousness and get money. You know, see it? When you buy a beer, weapon of mass destruction and weapon of evil now. You see it? And I push in an innocent youth. And youth them innocent more than uno, you know. That more want to know, you know. If all of them youth, they got dead and everything. They pan uno. You see it? That's why someone can't come up front and chat to some boy and go out there again in the bus load a man and a van load a man go beat some boy. You see it? Because the whole I want to compromise, Rasta. You see it? Whole I want to compromise. And every man have secret for the other. You see it? Every man gonna know so that man they sign with that man there and they have to go a certain party, go fornicate. You see it? And ready to spill that. So every man can just do what they want because the man can't chat. If the man chat, just like what go on now, House of Parliament and no Rasta. And the man them a beat and abuse the woman them in there. And nobody now kick them out and attack bad against them. Why? Because everybody in there beat and abuse the woman too. You see it? And if them talk, another man will just so warm that you may learn it from Rasta. You see it? So come like a data reach Carleton and Buju banton and the whole of them right and now. Any of them chat to the youth them. Like youth them all look on them and say, yo, I that me just see you done though. Oh, you talk to me about. You see it? I saw when I move Rasta. When I move like some loose man. Real loose man. You see it? Yes, Rasta. Okay, I'm being FANTAN MOJAH because FANTAN MOJAH duppy. Sister FANTAN MOJAH dance. Education and make you bright, you know. You see it? FANTAN MOJAH bandwagonist man we seek attention, man. You see it? Bandwagonist we seek attention. You hear it in him word, you see him. What kind of, yo, youth, you know if you talk when you go do all that blood clot interview Rasta. If you do sign language, FANTAN MOJAH, man, because remember me tell you, man, youth, me I tell you, say, you bring down everything where you're meant to represent. I'm not telling you a lie. You know, say every bubble of Jamaica supposed to shame. Every bubble of Jamaica supposed to shame. You rockle Bubbo Hill. You alone. Wake up Bubbo Hill. And that's why so much crosses up there right here now. Because them slung up there and watch a representation of them. I behave like that. And them not say nothing. You know, say, you good me say, you look like you carry money come a Friday evening time, you know. Because some boy go on like say, Friday you can pay them, you know. Them, you're good. You can do anything that you want to do. You see it? A big scam in a go on. You see it? From the first Emmanuel dead, from the first Ras drop out up a Bubbo Hill and see the next youth they start in power struggle when bad up the next in line and take it over. From that, me have me hype on the youth there. You see it? And from that deal the youth they touch the thing Rasta. I be a red, gold and green AK and them thing them here say out of Bubbo Hill. And Bubbo Hill now war with nobody. You see it? You see it? See the result here? FANTAN MOJAH. A lick girl batty pan blood clot video because there is nothing else where you see one could have wanted to show the Rasta. Girl batty in him face and all them thing there as a Rasta man. A publicize and a permit them thing there in the ear. Rasta and this that's not. You see, boy, may I tell you. Oh! Him a go use now as a reference to say them man do it to or them man they do it. Rasta because somebody do it. It's alright for you do it. Them man the way I do it look good when them did I do it. You know, me I tell you, say you not look good. None at all. You know, see it. I better if you did make all a man like Ryan King go do them thing the Rasta. You know, see it. Even the youth where the Vibes Cartel video them film. Full of acting and him vibes it. You see, say him a do what him a do. And it come like a him a sing the song. And they're all idiot. Man, he just come flap. He said, he look like a pedophile FANTAN MOJAH. Big old man up the boy, yeah. Touch that body for you, baby. Be a little young girl on the beach side, you ever. Go on like, hey, little boy. A big little girl you love too, you know. You not stand for nothing. You know, see it, and every day you show it now in action. So, like a subliminal message. Want to drop amongst yourself. You know, see it. You know, I don't want a little video them and them, like a thing that we see the type of person who is. You know, see it. Yeah. Threesome dready. You see it? Nasty dreaded boy. Cheap boy when I want to pay barber. For trim your head. That's why you're here so long. You see it? You don't have nothing in here for Rasta. If you sit down and walla. Me say Winford Williams I try walla reason with you with there and he's a disgrace. You know see it? He's a disgrace Rasta. You know say everything what you say. We know say illiteracy plague Jamaica and it's not a fault of the people themselves. You know see, but you know I say most people don't try to be what they are not. You know see, most people just open up and just don't say, yeah, this is it. It is what it is, you know. You know see, take it or leave it. You know see, you that the videos I try to justify your hypocrisy. But how long you are sing culture and them not hit. Boy like you, what me kidding about? Boy, you should all be a ISIS and every man around you ISIS too. Yes, Rasta. You see it. When you come in a brave. That me I tell you now. Come in a Rasta thing, attack with the authority like a government. With a little dirty, cheap self. When you not no style, when you not no class. You see it? You don't stand for nothing. You know what style and class mean? FANTAN MOJAH. Eh? You go around and go on like say you're the hungriest man on the planet. Cause you are a Rasta. Nobody can come tell me that and nobody can come challenge me say that. You know see? Your action have to follow your words, you know. You know see? I want to you. Boy like I want to you should have a surfing ticket. You want to live certain life first like a monk before you can come under the recognition about a Rasta. You see? I make a stray dog from all about jump up and I want to comb them nasty head. You see? But you know nothing about the principle of Rastafari. Eh? You know nothing about you accept the principle of Rastafari. Eh? If you don't accept the principle of Rastafari, you wouldn't move like a freak, like a go-go boy. You know see? You wouldn't move so. You know see? You don't know the principle of Rastafari. You know see? Say you're a Rasta. You know see? And I told you have secret. You see? Because you bust out secret. Say you bust out secret for Muta, which Muta says no secret, and everybody says no secret still. But I saw on stay. Because I feel like you don't have secret for other man and them thing there. No man not supposed to correct you and make you know something wrong. Dirty mix up boy, when hey boy, go ahead. I want to you. Dirty boy. You're a nasty man. No, you're a pedophile. Yo, me. You can't tell me say you know you have little picnic. Nothing can't tell me say a boy like you know look from people picnic past them. You know say, big old man like you gonna sing such a pedophiliac song like you have some nasty tendency. Obviously you have some sick twisted tendency. And I come talk to Rasta like you and Rasta size. You know see, and me like mouth and me just, oh, you think you could have, because mouth come in your yard come put him on fire. Nobody in your community now say nothing. Nobody. You roll your fat belly down a hill. You know see, come and talk about them. Although the whole of the same thing, because like me I say Mount I do it the other day. I remember if a Rasta have the man name who claim say him sing some a beer hustler them, you know, a beer hustler them and hustle Rastafari, you know, Rasta. You know see it? And it no reach nowhere. Cause nobody, the people, them with gun on the intelligence, not learn nothing. Because them guys see it as a money-making industry. A profit-based thing. Rather than school. You see it? And challenge that. Yeah? I know it's a man for eat, a man for eat. Wait, I want to one yam. A cow? Eh? No color one pacture and them thing a rasta one with little rice and some flour rasta. Eh? Why don't come in at this for carry out with you? Why don't come at this for carry with you? Eh? You are dirty people, man. You can't want to know. You see it, and no responsible for the thing make it reach where it there. No. You see, Buju banton come back from foreign and jam make him children them rich. When him come back. So like him have nothing for chase. No boy if you come give him no, a big we are all man to you soon 50. You see? And I like you have to go chase no boy if you come give nothing. If you go and run and bow, cause that you go do like you go to prison go suffer and come back and roll, come bow. That you do Buju. You see? Carleton and sizzla from when you go sign with them boy they are foreign boy no. Run and sign contract like say. Contract is anything. Contract is this is someone man, I say wanna just twist the thing. Yo, I'm not telling a lie. I'm disappointed. You don't know Rasta. You don't sit down there and make FANTAN MOJAH go on that. You know it's to be blame. You know say, I want to know. You not challenge somebody. You're so silent. You're so quiet. And the same thing, you up there, I don't want afraid FANTAN MOJAH talk too. Bless. Share, like, and subscribe with the Rastafari name.